Hello, this is Cheo with the Chit Chat. El Centro de la Raza is teaming up with the United States Hispanic Leadership Institute to host a Latinas in Politics Forum tonight from 6 to 8 p.m. in the Student Union Building atrium. The event is free and features several of our state's prominent Latina leaders discussing what it takes to run for office, so I hope you can be there. Career Services and the Women's Resource Center are teaming up to present a workshop series entitled Empowering Women in Work. The series kicks off this Thursday at 1:30 p.m. at the Women's Resource Center with the Name Narrative Workshop, Who Am I topic. The series is free and runs every Thursday at the same place and at the same time through November the 15th. This is just a reminder that the UNM Young Alumni Group is collecting Halloween costumes to benefit CLN Kids, that's Cuidando los Niños, and the UNM Children's Hospital through this Friday, October the 19th. My office in Scholes 229 is a donation site, so please donate if you can and stop by their event at Draft and Table this coming Friday. Beginning this Saturday, voters will be able to cast their votes early in the Student Union Building, Lobo A and B. The early voting site will be opened Monday through Saturday from October the 20th through November the 3rd, 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. So please contact the Student Union Building office if you have any questions, and please vote. Finally, next Tuesday, October the 23rd, the Student Activities Center is hosting a Superhero Day. The event will be held at the Student Union Building atrium from 11:30 a.m. till 1:30 p.m. and features superhero trivia, a photo booth, and a costume cosplay contest at 12:30. Hope you're able to join us and have some fun at this free event. Until next week, this is Cheo.